A method to avoid environmental contamination is environmental education is a dynamic and particularly process that seeks to strengthen awareness among the population that environmental problems identified with both general level as a specific level seeks to identify a relationship and identify certain interaction between environmental and man. As we are worried about commenting harmonious relationship between the natural anthropogenic south sustainable development through activities are with the aim of ensure the sustainable and quality of current and future generations.
The natural environment encompasses all living and non-living things occurring naturally on Earth or some regional area. It is an environment that encompasses the interaction of all living species. The concept of the natural environment can be distinguished by components. Complete ecological units that function as natural systems without massive civilized human. Universal natural resource and physical phenomenon. The official Environment Day is June 5.
Air pollution is the introduction of particles that contaminates the composition of compounds in the atmosphere. This situation can create excess of emission of gases, vapors into atmosphere, saturation of chemical compounds, particles, so the rate of dissipation and the emergence of new chemical reactions of reactive non-biodegradable compounds. Global warming, acid rain, smog, ozone depletion are some effects of air pollution. The major sources that lead of air pollution are industrial process, building demolition, volcanic eruption, mining, and forest fires.
Water pollution is contamination of water by foreign matter that deteriorates the quality of the water. Water pollutions cover pollutions in liquid forms, river pollutions, and ocean pollutions. Water cycle. Water cycle is simple, saying the circulation of water in the earth. In fact, the water in the earth is biosphere. It used and reused again and again. This is called water cycle or continuous movement of water between the earth and the atmosphere. We can classify major sources that lead to water pollution: heavy metals, air pollution, sediment, and soil pollution.
Soil contamination or soil pollution is caused by the presence of xenobiotic chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by the industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. The most common chemicals involved are petroleum hydrocarbons, polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, solvents, pesticides, lead, and other heavy metals. Contamination is correlated with the degree of the industrialization and the intensity of the chemical.
Noise pollution. Noise pollution is a disturbing or excessive noise caused by machines, transportation systems, and motor vehicles. High noise levels can be contribute to that cardiovascular effects in humans and rise blood pressure and increase stress. The noise pollution affects the both health and behavior. Sounds become becomes unwanted when it either interferes with normal activities such as sleep or conversation.
Radioactive pollution is the release of radioactive materials into the environment. The radiation can produce mutations in DNA and cancer, and the radiation may remain in the environment for years.
Soil pollution. Land pollution involves the following mechanism: deposition of solid waste, accumulation of materials, toxification of chemicals into poisons, alteration of soil chemical composition.